Yes, please go on.
My topic is on comparative study of mental toughness between male and female kabaddi players. Introduction: mental toughness is a necessity in competitive sports. Competitive against other athletes or even against your personal best can be a stressful process when it's time to compete and prove your physical and sports ability to yourself and to other with an audience presence. Stress and anxiety can often get in the way. If you miss a basket or swing a bat and miss, you might feel like you have failed or that you are not good enough. With other watching, this feeling can become magnified. Mental toughness during sports performance involve tuning out the opinions of others. After all, you are human and you will make mistakes. Acknowledging that no one is perfect and that all you can do is make your best effort each time in large part of demonstrating mental toughness in sports. Objective of the study: the objective of the study was to compare mental toughness among male and female kabaddi players. Procedure and methodology: a total of 40 players comprising of 20 female and 20 male players from Punjab University, Chandigarh were randomly selected for study. The age of subject ranged between 18 to 25 years. The score on mental toughness were obtained by using mental toughness questionnaire prepared by Dr. N.L. Goldberg 2004 to compare mental toughness among Kabaddi male and female players. T-test was applied and significance level of 0.05. Result and discussions of finding: to compare the two groups, namely 20 female and 20 male Kabaddi players from Punjab University on the mental toughness mean and standard deviation and T-test were computed. The findings are present below. On mental toughness, the means and standard deviation of the two groups along with significance of difference by way of students. T-test has been presented in table 1. Table 1: mean and significance of difference. Kabaddi male player mean 15.59 and standard deviation 4.97. Female Kabaddi player 14.78 and standard deviation 2.90. The t value is 0.25. T value can be significant at the 0.05 level. The above table 1 indicate that the mean of male and female Kabaddi player on the mental toughness was 15.59 and 14.78 respectively. The obtained value was 0.25, which was found to be an insignificant 0.05 level of confidence. Discussion of finding on the basis of analysis of data revealed that insignificant difference exists between male and female Kabaddi players in the variable of mental toughness. It indicates that male Kabaddi players have more mental toughness than female Kabaddi players. As the male Kabaddi player had greater mean, which indicates that they are more mentally tough in competitive situations than female Kabaddi players in the dimension of mental toughness. The reason for insignificant difference between male and female players in combative games is maybe because girls are play more defensive than male to make them safe their Conclusion: on the basis of analysis of data, the following conclusion may be drawn. Female kabaddi player had lesser means than male kabaddi player in the dimension of mental toughness. There was insignificant difference found between male mental toughness of male and female kabaddi players. These are the references. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for presenting.
So, is there any question from the participants? I think there is no question. Sir, Joseph, sir, do you want to suggest anything, sir, to our presenter, Dr.
Yes, yes, sir. In the last, I'll suggest, or with the each paper, I'll suggest.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
So,
so
okay, sir.
I just give a short suggestion that whatever the result come, you should support with the literature if any like that study is there. And for questionnaire, the component or some has to be added, like only mental toughness, how the mental toughness has been made, how the things has been made, how that questionnaire is made with on aspect or component. So you should be able to tell that also. Okay, but it was short. Good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank,
Any other questions from the others? I think there is no question. So I'd like to invite our next speaker, Muhammad Nazrul Islam Shah, Research Scholar, Department of Physical Education, Annamala University. Muhammad Nazrul Islam, please start your presentation. Mr. Nazrul, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take your
Good morning,
time.
sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I'm sharing my screen. Please check it is visible or not.
Hi, it is visible. To start, please start your presentation.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. I am MD Nazrul Islam Saha, Research Scholar, Department of Physical Education, Annamala University. Under the guidance of Dr. P. Karthikeyan, Associate Professor, Department of Physical Education, Annamala University. So today is the first time that I'm presenting a paper on national webinar. Thank you for giving such opportunity to present a paper. So my topic is influence of computer assisted drill training program on dribbling ability of university men basketball player. Introduction. Computer-based drill and practice is designed to improve immediate corrective instructions and reinforce previously learned information. To advance knowledge within the mastery learning that assume that most player can learn most things to a specific level. The computer make it the ideal means for providing various practice in a needed curricular area until reaching the desired level of outstanding performance. And audiovisual aids are most effective aids for enhancing interaction and communication among the player, instructors, and game and sport content. Some of the skills like basketball control, ball control, throwing rule book in the basketball dribbling, basketball skill, and so on can be demonstrated using audiovisual aids. This equipment not only help to set the time of sport instructor, but also help in encouraging desire for creativity, curiosity, and the interest of the player and the coach. audiovisual teaching can become an effective teaching method that once created can be uploaded to library and on the internet to be used by a great number of sports academic instructors, teachers, and coaches. In sport, a common piece of equipment used is video analysis to increase the player and instructor performance for individual, dual, and group competition. So basketball is a sport play between the two teams, normally consisting of 5 players in a match and 7 substitute players. Ball handling and dribbling are very important basic skills. These two skills allow basketball to be advanced legally throughout the match. Ball handling and dribbling take one of the most basic form, allowing the player to become familiar with the basketball. In this study, an attempt was made to compare two different instructional methods by means of the skill test score obtained from two groups of university men's players. Purpose of the study. The purpose of the study was designed to examine the effect of computer-assisted drill training program on dribbling ability among the university men's player. This study is to see computer-assisted drill that benefit university men's players in improving their zigzag dribbling ability. Aim and needs to access the dribbling ability among university men's basketball player, to see changes in dribbling ability among the university men's players, and to enhance the game performance among university men's basketball player, to improve the university basketball player on dribbling ability. Objective: effect of the computer-assisted drill training program. Pre and post-test score of underwent computer-assisted drill training group and control group which need to be analyzed. Hypothesis. It was also hypothesized that there may be a significant difference between the underwent computer-assisted group and the control group. It was also hypothesized that there may be a significant change in the basketball dribbling ability among the university men's player. This is the study design, experimental research design flowchart. So I have selected 30 subject basketball, 30 basketball player as a subject and divided into two groups. Group one is underwent group with given training 6 weeks, 3 days per week, and the group 2 is a control group which did not undergo any training program. And after that, we take the pre-test of the two groups for dribbling ability test, and the given for the underwent group, I'm giving training 6 weeks, 3 days per week. After that, we have taken post-test and come to the taken data from post-test, and we analyze the post-test in a statistical way. Methodology. The purpose of the study was designed to examine the effect of computer-assisted drill training program on dribbling ability among university men basketball player. For the purpose of study, 30 men basketball player at of computer-assisted drill training program and the control group have been analyzed and presented in the table 1. Analysis of clearance of data on dribbling ability of free and post training and control group. The table 1, I saw that the pre-test means of computer-assisted drill training group and control group are 30.87 and 30.73 respectively on dribbling ability. The obtained F ratio of 0.25 for pre-test means it is less than the table value of 4.20 for the degree of freedom 1 and 28 required for significance at 0.05 level of confidence on dribbling ability. The post-test means of computer-assisted drill training group and control group are 28.07 and 30.47 respectively. The obtained F ratio of 20.90 for post-test means it is more than the table value of 4.20 for degree of freedom 1 and 28 required for significance at 0.05 level of confidence on dribbling ability. The table I further show that the existed post-test means of computer-assisted drill training group and control group are 28.04 and 30.49 respectively on dribble ability. The obtained F ratios of 92.58 for existed post-test means is more than the table value of 4.21 for degree of freedom 1 and 27 required for the significance at 0.05 level of confidence on dribbling ability. The result of the study indicate that there was a significant difference between the existed post-test means of computer-assisted drill training program, drill training group, and control group dribbling ability. So I'll come to the conclusion. There was a significant difference between the computer-assisted drill training program, drill training group, and control group on dribble ability. And also, it was found that there was a significant change on selected criterion variables such as dribbling ability due to computer-assisted drill. As a research scholar, I have studied on this topic. I recommended to use audio-video ad for the basketball player in the absence of coach or wherever they want to know about the dribble. I will give the reference. There is an useful audiovisual reference, so you can use that to know the basketball fundamental skill with the demonstration video. These are some of the reference I have written, I have studied. With this all, I conclude my presentation. Thank you all.
Sir, I hope you will summarize later on.
Or I'll keep telling in the middle so that
Whatever you like, sir.
Okay, so I'll go with that. It will be fresh, otherwise he might leave the meeting or something happen.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good study, Mohammad Nazrul Islam Shaji, and it is a new concept what you are taking up. And in basketball, it is a good if we go through this way, whatever result you are going through, because you have done pre-test also and post-test. So a good study, and since you are a beginner, so it's many more milestone you have to climb. So thank you for presenting a good new topic. Thank you.
I sincerely
Thank you, sir.
appreciate
Thank you so much, sir.
Nazrul, for your wonderful effort.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, Nazrul, actually, I sincerely appreciate your effort. It was a wonderful presentation from your side. This is your first time, but it is really the national level standard presentation. But I have one question. The question is, what prompted you to choose this topic? ऐसा कौन सा चीज है जो आपको बहुत मोटिवेट किया, प्रेरित किया कि भाई ये काम करना है?
Nazrul, you on your video.
Sir, my laptop is too old, sir. My video is blurred. I have checked before, sir. So I will try to on this.
Okay, no
Nazrul,
problem.
we are
Sir,
taking a study on
I get
computer
motivated.
assistant and you are telling that you have got an old laptop. Nazrul, so your study is a new generation study. And what I suggest you, you should present the photograph also, what is about the computer assistant thing you must have done. Only photo and describe about that photo, one or two photographs so people can also see what it is. Okay, please. Nazrul, I want to hear from you.
Next time, sure, sir.
So Nazrul, did you get my
Thank you,
question?
sir.
Did you get my question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. I get
are you
motivated
interested to reply?
from my ex university. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my question
I
was
get
what
motivated
prompted.
from sir. My guide is helping me to do this topic, and I was in the uh, Anamala University from January, and my specialization was basketball. So I think it is good to present a paper on basketball computer assisted drill. So I have prepared for this from February, sir.
Okay. Is there any question from the participants and delegates? No, I think there is no question. Thank you, Mohammad Nazrul, for your sincere effort. Thank you so much. So now I proceed to our next presenter. So our next presenter is Dr. Kishan
Thank you,
Shom,
Prashant sir.
Assistant
Thank you,
Professor,
Bhumik sir.
Assistant Professor, BTT College, Anandanagar, Tripura, and his topic is sports facilities and infrastructure in Tripura. Dr. Kishan Shom, please.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, you are audible and visible too.
Sir, actually, I am just sharing the presentation.
Yes,
PPT
take your
slides, sir.
own time. Don't worry.